Welcome to FastKlean Channel. Do you want to learn more about green cleaning and health tips? Check out our videos below. Hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share the videos, too. It may help your friends or loved ones. 6 unique cleaning tips that work. Cream of tartar. Mix equal parts of cream of tartar and water to make a natural non-abrasive cleaner that you can use on almost all surfaces. Mix it with hydrogen peroxide, and you will have a cleaning solution for pots and pans. If you mix it with glycerin, you will create a laundry stain remover. You will get a copper cleaner if you mix it with lemon juice, or a bathroom stain cleaner if you mix it with water to form a paste. Mix it with salt and baking soda and you will get a drain cleaner. Tea. Did you know that freshly brewed tea is great for cleaning wooden floors and furniture? You can even use it to clean dirty and musty carpets and rugs. Leave tea leaves on the carpet for 10 minutes then vacuum it. For delicate Oriental and Persian rugs, you can sprinkle nearly dry tea leaves on them and gently sweep them away after a few minutes. Tea bags may also remove stubborn stains in the toilet bowl. Lastly, de-stink your fridge using tea bags instead of baking soda. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is not just for baking or cooking. It is also an effective cleaning option for accidental spills, coffee maker, refrigerator, and even your microwave. Wet a clean sponge with water and squeeze out the excess water to avoid dripping. Grab the vanilla extract and saturate one of the sides of the sponge with a few drops of it. Take out all the contents of your refrigerator. Wipe the drawers and shelves using the sponge and don't forget to focus on areas where strong-smelling foods were previously stored. Do the same thing when cleaning the microwave. Make sure that you wipe the corners and areas that are prone to food particles buildup. Wool dryer balls. Use wool dryer balls as an alternative to dryer sheets and fabric softeners. All you have to do is throw in at least 4 of these in the dryer together with your laundry and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Uncooked rice. You can use uncooked rice to clean the bottom of a dirty vase, save wet electronics, and clean grinders. Cucumber. You can use cucumber slices to get rid of tarnish from stainless steel. They also work well when it comes to shining out your sinks and faucets. Rub it in your bathroom mirror to prevent it from fogging up. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use butter for cleaning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.